Mabibili ako ng orange. Aalsilista ako. Para bibili ako ng orange car. At sasakay ka na lalabas ko.
Talaga?
Yes, aalsilista tayo lalabas.
Oh, let's go. Come here. This way. Let's go.
Why?
We're going home.
What?
We're going home.
No! Punta tayo sa market!
Yes, we're gonna tayo market, diba? So, you're gonna buy me an orange car? Pag nag-artista ka? Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Papasakayin kita sa orange car ko. Come on, Anne. I'll show you.
You're gonna show... Wait for me. Where?
Okay, look.
Oh, that's
No.
nice.
No more diver.
Oh.
Let's go.
Okay.
So, here's the flower.
Don't touch that.
I'm not so touch.
Okay, let's go.
Okay,
Let's get moving.
That's a big flower.
Yeah.
No. Kulak-kulak pala yan.
Mm.
No.
Oh, don't walk like that.
Oh, this way.
Why are you going to buy me a car? Why?
Bakit kawawa ka naman, wala ka car? Papasakin kita sa orange car ko. Mom.
Okay. Oh, there's a tricycle. Hey, go on that side.